Hello, here's a quick review of the nitrogen machine. It's GN-100, produced 62 SCFM at 115 PSI at the purity 99.5, but it's set up to give 99.95% and 99.99 nitrogen. So it works with this air compressor. The air compressor is working for the whole factory. So here's the model. Here's the air compressor. There is one filter. So here's the wet tank. Here's the drain. So here's the dryer. It's a dryer, and it goes in, goes out. There's the dry tank. So dry tank we have here the flow for the factory, and it goes here to the nitrogen machine. Oh, to the tank. We have the nitrogen machine here. So this is how it looks like. We have here goes in, air inlet, have this, and we have this flow meter.